Kanye West is completely gutted. Beachfront Malibu party clearly need a whole lot of love. With a aerial snap showing just how soulless it looks pre-renovations. Despite the mansion being listed for an eye-watering $53 million, the new owner will have to drop plenty more US dollars to breathe some life into the unbearably bare 3-story abode, which doesn't have plumbing, electric or HVAC. Obviously, this means the 4,000 square feet home can get a total transformation, as it won't come with the rapper's favored minimalistic aesthetic, but it currently sticks out like a sore thumb nestled among the other coastal properties. Kanye West purchased it a few years back for $57 million and began renovating it with famous architect Tadao Ando, although it's found itself in the lawsuit. As we reported, Kanye is being sued by the former project manager who was overseeing the remodel, who wasn't happy about the gutting. But selling Sunset star Jason Oppenheim, who has the listing, isn't fussed about the legalities, telling us it's a rare chance for the new owner to restore the waterfront property to their own taste.